afternoon. Well, it's 11, so it's still morning. I want to get coffee. Lola's being spoiled. Lola, right? Won't eat any of her food, so we're giving her some tofu. Maybe she'll eat it there. Why are you shaking your tail? 'Cause you about to get some better food? You're on strike? Whoa. Look kind of crazy. So we just got done working out, and we're gonna go hit up a nice, cute little coffee shop, I think. Get some breakfast. Hi, Lola. Got to go outside, got to potty. Lola. We got breakfast. You excited? Yeah. Yay. It's so good. We got donuts, got coffee. We ordered all the flavors of donuts that they had. Now we're trying them.
Come here. Lola.
I don't know him.
Come here, Lola.
Churro.
Churro? Yes.
Yeah.
There's a little puppy over there. Lola keeps getting distracted by. That's good. We're living so lavish right now, eating coffee and donuts. Yeah.
Hello again.
There's a little baby
Oh,
dog.
why are you whining, cutie?
Now we're in a dog store for Lola. Oh, they got beef. Oh, there's a lot of them actually.
About the whole gang.
Whole squad. Look at him in his beard. Success. We got a whole bunch of stuff for the pets. We got an eco-friendly litter box.
It can also be, it's like a 2-in-1. It's like a litter box slash, what do you call it?
Spa slash pedicure toe thing. That's what it looks like. We got this cute teepee for him in hopes he will stop peeing. Mini haul.
So we got Lola a new leash and the banana toy.
That's so cute. Yeah, this is Spunky's new
Water bowl.
no food bowl. Cause his is like a weird pink camel one.
Freeze dried what? What's for cats?
We put a big pillow in it because he likes to hide.
Hi, Spunky. You see him? Oh, hey, dude. What are you doing? You like your teepee?
Lola, she has a bone. How's your day going? You got all the attention in the store. I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast and put away the laundry before my mom gets here. She should be here like any minute. Update. It's later. Mom's here. What are you doing? I made you something. I made us lunch. Slash dinner. I know it's 6, but that's not the point, okay? A snack. This is a snack before dinner. What are you doing? Why are you vaping?
Good morning.
Making some tea today.
Making changes
Put
because you
some-
don't normally drink tea.
I know, I hate tea, but I'm putting some lemon in it. It's probably gonna be even worse now that I put lemon in it. But it's good for you, right?
Yes.
And it wakes you up. Eric, show them your new cool mug. What the heck? That's crazy.
All in Hope County though.
Hope County.
You better hope it don't come for you.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, my pups. I love ya. You are sweetums. So Eric and I are about to go have brunch. Going to one of our favorite brunch spots. We love this place. You're coming? Still playing video games.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm ready.
You ready?
I got the shirt on, but
You instantly look like Superman when you put those on. Look, you look like Superman. This is my outfit of the day.
what about now though? Still Superman though?
Yeah, Superman with the do-rag. Fresh. The part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. At Starbucks now, because the place we're gonna eat brunch at has a super long line. It's like an hour wait, so we're getting coffee. Can you see him? Handsome. We might have to invest in some of these plates.
I'm gonna have to get some of these plates with your unwanted guests.
Okay.
Look.
You're gonna be nice, but then give him that plate.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming, but
Yeah.
why are you here? And then I'm gonna give him this plate when I want to be nice to him, but still give him food. You're a dick.
And I'm gonna come at you like,
Dang. I think this grass table would be perfect to add into our house. Eric's looking at buttons. Imagine peace.
world peace.
So, Eric and I finished breakfast or brunch a while ago, and we've just been hanging out. And we are gonna film a, what is it? A copy my Instagram video. So he's channeling his inner Pharrell because that's what he's gonna recreate. Yeah, what is this?
I don't know what this is. This is just.
I like it. This is baby legs.
Baby legs.
Here we go. I'm gonna sing a little bit for y'all.
I don't really know how this song goes, so I'm just gonna start singing it. You don't know, babe, when you hold me, kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change if I had it my way. You would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. And you know that I see. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best. Won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Oh, baby, if you love me, won't you say something?
So I'm making a protein smoothie right now, and I thought I would show you what I'm putting inside. A mango and strawberry blend, spinach, organic hemp protein powder, chia seeds. You can definitely be bougie and use coconut water, but we ran out, so I'm just using regular water. Smoothie before.
Mom's home, she's got some groceries. I'm about to make some actual food. I just had a protein smoothie.
Bless you, Lola.
I'm gonna make grilled cheese and tomato soup. So, here's what's going down now. So, we don't have any butter, and then we have bread, but the bread has honey in it. And we need to go back to the grocery store so I can make my grilled cheese. So all I have is cheese. I'm waiting to cook the soup and everything until I get my grilled cheese ingredients. But meantime, I kinda cheated and I'm having popcorn. Sorry, not sorry. This is gonna be food today. Sleeping. Want some popcorn? Cutie pie with the big feet. Like a little squirrel. So cute. Lily, need to go outside? Or what? Or what? Okay, so a million years later, I finally made it. Mine's messy, don't look at it. Tomato soup and grilled cheese and some crackers.